Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to update Toyota Avalon software. Start by confirming a stable power source and parking brake set, then choose USB or over-the-air update method, depending on your model. Backup favorite settings and sync phone contacts if needed. Check your owner manual for system version details and download the correct update file to a formatted USB drive. Begin by locating the exact software package for your Avalon infotainment or navigation system on Toyota's support site. Confirm the model identifier and download the file to your computer, then verify the checksum if available to ensure integrity. Format a USB drive to FAT32 or XFAT, extract the update, and place the update folder and files in the drive's root. With the USB inserted and the engine or accessory power active, navigate to the system settings and select Software Update. Follow the prompts exactly, avoid powering off the vehicle, and expect multiple reboots during the process. If prompted, confirm license agreements and restore any personal settings afterward. Test common features like navigation, Bluetooth, and audio to confirm the update applied successfully and to ensure no data loss occurred.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.